everyone, this is Chirag Bamor and today you're going to be watching me on Celeb Looks 101 and I'm about to create the look that Aishwarya Rai Bachchan wore for one of the red carpet events.
Baby, ya no vas a estar, no vas a sentir esa soledad que nos hiere. Baby, se quedó atrás, la vida nos dio una oportunidad de estar juntos los dos. Una oportunidad de oro. Juntos no nos pueden parar. Ahora venimos con todo. Contigo voy hasta el final. Yeah, baby. La party se prendió en candela, invencibles como Nelson Mandela. No se meten contigo en la favela, porque todos lo saben que eres mi jeva. Baby, esta noche nos vamos en taxi, bebiendo y fumando siempre todo el creepy. Tú eres loca, yo soy loco, somos crazy, como Bonnie and Clyde, ya somos un classic. Baby, se quedó atrás, la vida nos dio una oportunidad de estar juntos los dos. Una oportunidad de oro. Juntos no nos pueden parar. Ahora venimos con todo. Contigo voy hasta el final. Baby, come on and try. Come on and try. Come on and try. Baby.
Hey everyone, so this is the look that I created for you today. I hope all of you loved it and you'll keep watching Celeb Looks 101 and wait for another beautiful video to be out.
La vida nos dio una oportunidad de estar juntos los dos.
Hi everyone, welcome to Celeb Looks 101. I'm Natasha Matthias and today I'm going to recreate Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's look from her movie Devdas.
Just hanging with my girls in a club downtown. When the lights come on and the music shuts down, there's only one thing to do to keep this party ignited. An exclusive after party and you're all invited. All back to mine. All back to mine. We'll get some beers on the way from that all-night garage. Yeah, my girl's got some records and she's gonna do damage. There's only one thing to do to keep everybody jumping. Take the party back to mine and get the stereo pumping. All back to mine. All back to mine. All back to mine. All back to mine. All back to mine.
So this was my take on Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's look in Devdas. I had fun creating it and I really hope you guys like it.
Mine.
Hi guys, I'm Adrian Jacobs and today I'm recreating a look on Celeb Looks 101, which is what I did for an event with Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, and that's an event for Longines. It had the blue liner. I loved creating that. I hope you'll like it too. So it is the simple formula look which is really unique and chic, which I have done for Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. We just apply it and with straight blown out hair, and there you go, this favorite look of mine.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to channel and press the bell icon. Watch Myntra Studio for exclusive tips and trends with your favorite influencers, Celeb Looks Originals. Experience the new way of shopping. Myntra Studio, exclusively on the Myntra app.